Hey, what's up? This is Chris Plush from cgmasters.net, and have I got a project for you? This was quite a challenge to put together a step-by-step workflow for, but I'm very happy with how it came out, and I hope you enjoy it and learn a lot. Now, if you went through my Jeep course before, this is definitely a more challenging model than the Jeep, but again, it's all step-by-step, so you'll just need some patience if things get tricky. If you have any questions or you just want to share your progress, don't hesitate to email me at contact@cgmasters.net. Seriously, I'm not going to leave you hanging if you're having any trouble, so just email me. Now we're going to start things off slower, and as the project progresses and techniques become a little more repetitive, then things will be a bit more casual. If at any point the pacing isn't quite to your liking, I highly recommend using a video player like VLC, because you can speed up or slow down the playback speed with it. There will also be closed captioning shortly after the course is released, so that can help your workflow too. If you're pausing the video a lot, then having captions enabled will keep what I said on screen, and you can follow along that way. And thank you for supporting my training, by the way. There's a lot more to come, both in free tutorials on our YouTube channel and other comprehensive courses like this. So good luck with this one, and I really hope you like it.